Women have this reputation that suggests they are only interested in a man for his looks and/or wealth. This assumption could not be more wrong. Women are so much more interested in men who have more depth than the depths of their pores. So to clear up this confusion, here are 6 personality traits that women find extremely attractive that have nothing to do with looks or money. 1. Confidence. Many women are attracted to confidence. This doesn't mean arrogance or overconfidence, but a secure and self-assured demeanor. Confidence can be reflected in how a man carries himself, communicates, and handles various situations. 2. Good sense of humor. If you can make a woman laugh, you can pretty much make her do or feel anything. Humor's best quality is to make light of any situation, no matter how uncomfortable and terrible, and will make you instantly attractive. Knowing that women are attracted to a man with a good sense of humor is all good and great, but I bet some of you are thinking, well, how do you get a good sense of humor? Here are a couple of ways to improve your sense of humor. Stop taking yourself so seriously. Watch stand-up specials and pay attention to how comedians talk about mundane things in a comical or obscure way. Spend time with funny people. 3. Kindness. Remember that saying, kill them with kindness. That saying somewhat applies to women. I know that some men think that women only like jerks, the bad boy, and while that may attract them for a fraction of a second, what keeps women around and makes women fall in love with a man is his kindness. There is never a good excuse to be rude to a woman. Being kind and gracious is an overlooked quality that women respond really well to in a man. If she displays kindness in return, this is how you know she's long-term relationship material. 4. Ambition and passion. Many women find ambition and passion attractive. Having goals, aspirations, and a sense of purpose can be appealing. It's not necessarily about financial success, but about having a drive and motivation to achieve personal or professional objectives. 5. Communication skills. Effective communication is crucial in any relationship. Women often appreciate men who can express themselves clearly, listen actively, and engage in meaningful conversations. Being able to communicate openly and honestly fosters understanding and connection.